Hello friends, welcome back to Home Theater Enthusiast. Today we're gonna look at the Marantz 6 Floorstanding Speaker from Monitor Audio. So let's look at what's available in the box. Before that, if you are interested in home theater builds, audio-video component reviews like speakers, streaming devices, projectors, etc., subscribe to my channel and like the video if you actually like it. The Marantz 6 speakers are available in 3 different colors: the black oak, walnut, rosma, and white ash. The speaker base is detached in the box. We need to manually fix it. The box contains a tool for it, including the speaker spikes. It comes with one port plug for each speaker. We can use it in the front port or on the back port. But please note, the front will be closed in the grill, so be careful while fixing it in the front. Marantz 6 support both bi-wire and bi-amp terminal configuration. You have to remove the metal plates from the binding post to do the same. These are high quality metal plates, so you don't need to waste money on an alternative. The upper connection is for the high frequency and lower for the low frequency. If you don't want to do bi-wire or bi-amp, keep the metal plates as is and use the lower binding post for your amp connection. The grill is made of cloth and it is magnetically attached to the front of the speaker. Now look at how we attach the base to the speaker. Marantz 6 is 2.5-way configuration with differentially tuned acoustic system, higher efficiency and improved low frequency extension, high quality crossovers with premium grade polypropylene film capacitors used throughout. Its deceptively compact cabinet supports 2 6.5-inch bass drivers with a further 6.5 mid-range unit housed in a dedicated chamber. The mid-range woofer is in a sealed enclosure which gives more control performance. The gold dome tweeter gives crisp and clear high frequency. It has a dimension of 103.3 cm height, 23.5 cm width and 35 cm depth. Each of these speakers weigh 16.6 kilograms. These speakers go very deep till 34 Hz and it can handle a power up to 150 watts RMS. I hope I will be creating a comparison video on the Monitor Audio Marantz 6 versus Q Acoustic 3050 Ice in the near future. So stay tuned. Now look at a quick sound demo of Monitor Audio Marantz 6. Hope you enjoyed the video. For any queries or suggestions, please comment below. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.